How to enable or disable automatic video captions on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic video captions on Instagram. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, to enable or disable automatic captions on Instagram, first of course you need to open up the Instagram app. Then next, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right hand corner. Then select Settings. Next, tap on Account. Then select Captions. To enable automatic captions on any video posts you watch on Instagram, tap the switch labeled Captions. When the switch is blue, automatic captions are enabled. If you want to disable automatic captions, tap the switch to turn it off. When the switch turns from blue to grey, automatic captions have been disabled. You can also adjust the language of the automatic captions by tapping on the language underneath. And that's all it takes to enable or disable automatic video captions on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.